this? Paging me at 5:46 in the morning. Crack of dawning, now I'm yawning. Wipe the cold out my eye. See who's this paging me and why. It's my nigga Pop from the barber shop. Told me he was in the gambling spot and heard the intricate plot. A niggas wanna stick me like fly paper, neighbor. Slow down, love, please chill, drop the paper. Remember them niggas from the hill up in Brownsville that you rolled dice with, smoked blunts and got nice with? Yeah, my nigga Fame up in Prospect. Nah, them my niggas, nah, love wouldn't disrespect. I didn't say them, they schooled me to some niggas that you knew from back when you was clocking minor figures. Now they heard you blowing up like nitro, when they wanna stick the knife through your windpipe slow. So, thank Fame for warning me, cause now I'm warning you. I got the Mac, nigga, tell me what you gonna do. Damn, niggas wanna stick me for my paper. Damn, niggas wanna stick me for my paper. Damn. Niggas wanna stick me for my paper. Damn, niggas wanna stick me for my paper. They heard about the Rolexes and the Lexus with the Texas license plates out of state. They heard about the pounds you got down in Georgetown, and they heard you got half of Virginia locked down. They even heard about the crib you bought your mom South Florida, the 5th corridor. Call the coroner. There's gonna be a lot of slow singing and flower bringing if my burglar alarm starts ringing. What you think all the guns is for? All-purpose war, got the Rockwellers by the door. And I feed them gunpowder so they can devour the criminals, trying to drop my decimals. Damn, niggas wanna stick me for my cream, and it ain't a dream, things ain't always what it seems. It's the ones that smoke blunts with ya, see your picture, now they wanna grab their guns and come and get ya. Bet your Biggie won't slip. I got the calico with the black talons loaded in the clip, so I can rip through the ligaments, put the fuckers in the bad predicament, where all the foul niggas went. Touch my cheddar, feel my Beretta, fuck what I'ma hit you with, your motherfuckers better duck. I bring pain, blood stains on what remains of his jacket. He had a gun, he should've packed it, cocked it. Extra clips in my pocket, so I can reload and explode on your asshole. I fuck around and get hardcore. C4 to your door, no beef, no more, nigga. Feel the rough, scandalous. The more weed smoke I puff, the more dangerous. I don't give a fuck about you or your weak crew. What you gonna do when Big Papa come for you? I'm not gunning, nigga, I bust my gun in. Hold on, I hear somebody coming.
Yeah, a Rastla ya not. Yeah. Like a Ethiopian, and me around the marathon. Say like a Ethiopian, how we are win the marathon. Just like a Kenyan, say we are win the marathon. A Ethiopian, call Ethiopia there.
What me tell them run, Ethiopian run. Run, marathon time, run, Ethiopian, run, don't me tell them run, Ethiopian, run.
So my energy pure, powerful and restore. And me call back my focus on creativity, just like the Moors, like the African seas and the shores, on the riverside at the floor. Cool for me chest, still I give them more. Free from energy we don't line with me. That's why me hail the power of the tree. Tree in a one, you see the one in a tree. Emmanuel, Marcus and King Selassie. Mother had the hurt, well me can't forget she. Call Empress men and when me bathing at the sea. Long time me trust myself completely.
Ethiopian run, Ethiopian run, marathon run, Ethiopian run, African girl run, Kenya girls run, Ethiopian run, mother had the hurt run.
Fire in the hole. Have we tell them of the ancient school of the other half that haven't been told. Me have a reset button for me soul. Some of we get shot in them out of the secret energy that flows through me like when me beat in a bingy drum and set your soul free. Of the ancient sea. Me just run anything we do align with me and my energy. I me nah go make them kill me like Biggie and Tupac Machiavelli. I me can't explain myself, me align myself with good energy. Like when me bun me chalice by myself, yeah, I me beat the pum pum by myself. Me no want see nobody else. From me a baby in a manger. See the lion not no link with stranger. Marathon run, Ethiopian run. Marathon run, Ethiopian run. Kenya run, African run, Ethiopian run.
Just like Uniblab, robotic kicking flab, or flavor bit of batter, chitter chatter, matter than the Mad Hatter. I bet you buy shit, come by fatter. I got the data to turn your body into antimatter. And just like a piece of sizzling, you'll fit inside my stomach with the eggs and grits between. The king is what I mean. My man, get a cup and put some change inside your hand. Now hold up, let's make this official. Everybody, let's agree that MCs need a tissue. The funk's my only issue. I bet your mama miss you, and I bet the Mac take off like an MX missile. No more you whining on the charts climbing as I make the funk kicking out more harder than a diamond. And if you didn't know who's rhyming, I guess I'm gonna say Craig Mack with perfect timing. You won't be around next year. My rap's too severe, kicking mad flavor in your ear. Here comes a brand new flavor in your ear. Time for new flavor in your ear. I'm kicking new flavor in your ear. Max, brand new flavor in your ear. Craig Mack, 1,000 degrees. You'll be on your knees and you'll be burning, begging, please. Brother Freeze, man's indisputed and deep-rooted funk smoke that leaves your brains booted. This bad MC with stamina like Bruce Jenner, the winner tasting MCs for dinner. You're crazy like that glue, that think that you could outdo my 1-2 that's sick like the flu. Shake 'em down, boy, I flip boy all the time, cause boy, the rhyme you kickin' ain't worth a dime. Seems like there's no competition in this rap world expedition. You come around and knock you out position. Knock 'em out. No flame could ever dig a grave. Both the Mac, the power pack, and black make it see make crack. And here comes a brand new flavor in your ear. Max, a brand new flavor in your ear. Here comes a brand new flavor in your ear. Time for new flavor in your ear. I'm kicking new flavor in your ear. Max, brand new